Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Saravana Kumar, Associate Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So today we are going to discuss important subject, strategic management. So now we are going to discuss about introduction to strategic management. So everyone know about that strategies because if you're going to selling the product to the customer, definitely you can use some strategies to sell the product to the customer. So what do you mean by strategic management? Strategic management is a comprehensive approach that involves the formulation, implementation, and evaluation of cross-functional decisions aimed at achieving organizational goals. So now we are going to discuss strategic management. It will be aligned with the design thinking process. So design thinking stages, empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and testing. So now we are going to align that design thinking overview. I mean design thinking process, design thinking stages, align with the strategic management. So what in by design thinking? This approach emphasizes empathy, the ideation, and experimentation to solve complex problems. Stages of design thinking. Now only I said empathize, define, idea, prototype, and testing. Importance of iteration encourages continuous feedback and adaptation for successful strategic management. So what do we empathize? Understanding stakeholders. So understanding stakeholders means stakeholder analysis, interviews and observations, real world example. So stakeholder analysis means empathize is nothing but problem identification. So identifying and understanding the needs and challenges of stakeholders, including customers, employees, and partners. Interviews and observations, engaging with stakeholders through direct interaction provides valuable insights. The real world example like companies like Airbnb use empathizing technique to understand the user experiences. So everyone know about that Airbnb, it's a unicorn company. They have to book a shoot in that hotel. So what techniques, everything it will be comfortable by that user experience. Then define the problem. So after the empathize, define. So identifying core issues, synthesizing insights from the empathize stage to clearly define the challenges that need addressing. Problem statement creation, formulating a concise problem statement allows for focused discussions and strategic alignment. Practical example, we have seen that Ford. So Ford used this approach to redefine issues in vehicle design, focusing on consumer preferences and safety. So ideate is nothing but generating solutions for the particular problem. So idea generation techniques, employing brainstorming. So brainstorming is nothing but, for example, if you're giving a problem to that particular group, so everyone give that solution. We are going to select the best solution. So that is a brainstorming technique. So employing brainstorming and collaborative session enhances creativity. Evaluation of ideas, analyzing ideas for feasibility and alignment with goals. Feasibility is nothing but whether it will be testing before that. So case study analysis like Google Adventures teams innovate continuously through ideation. So testing, implementing and refining, feedback loop. So everyone will get the feedback from the customers or from the employees. So everyone. So feedback loop, gathering insights from strategy implementation to assess effectiveness and impact. Continuous learning, organizations that embrace this stage adapt and evolve their strategies. Real life application, Netflix, data driven approach, it simplifies ongoing refinement based on user engagement. So prototype and testing. So testing with the customers, like we are conducting a survey, feedback, so continuous learning, continuous improvement, everything we have discussed in that, implementing and refining. So what is the conclusion? We have seen that in that strategic management, integrating design thinking in strategy, holistic approach. So integrating design thinking into strategic management create a dynamic framework for developing innovative solutions that are tailored to stakeholder needs, long-term benefits. Organizations that effectively embrace this methodology can navigate change effectively, remaining competitive and relevant in today's fast-paced business landscape. So these are all the key references I have seen for that particular strategic management topic. So thank you all for watching. Thank you all.